Hi everyone, thanks for watching. For today's video I'm doing my 10-minute glow up makeup routine and I will be using drugstore products. I will be using an eyeshadow palette from Essence, and this time I want to do something a little bit different than my usual bronzy golden looks, and I want to do quick soft pink glam makeup look. And this will be perfect for those of you who prefer to keep their eyeshadow look more simple but still very nice and beautiful, or for those of you who are in a hurry and don't have a lot of time to do their makeup. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So as I said, I want this makeup look to be quick 10-minute soft pink glow up, and for primer I will be using the Instafix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. Using a spray like this, it's super quick because you just spray it on your face, and you can also use it as a setting spray too. Oh, I love it because it's super hydrating. And after priming my face, I will go with the foundation, and I'm using the Revolution Makeup Fast Base Stick Foundation. This is definitely one of my favorite drugstore foundations and definitely my favorite stick foundation. I'm using the shade F6, and this foundation has amazing coverage and the most beautiful glow. Wow, I love this foundation so much. It has the most beautiful glow that it gives to the skin, and it covered all my spots. So if you like dewy foundations, I highly recommend this one. It's super blendable, and as I said, it has amazing coverage. So next, for my eyebrows, I recently started using pomade, and I discovered this one from L'Oreal. This is the Paradise pomade in 104 brunette, and I will quickly fill in my eyebrows. The product itself is amazing, and also this brush is so good and so easy to fill in and curve your eyebrows. Eyebrows are done, and now I will prime my eyelids using my current favorite and recent find of mine, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15. And I will quickly set my eyelids with the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder in transparent 001. I will also apply a little bit of the concealer in the places where I want to highlight my face. And again, I will set the concealer with the same loose powder. And I'm quickly setting the product and brushing out the excess product, because otherwise my skin will get super dry. For cream contour, I absolutely love this product, and this is the Maybelline Master Duo in 0 to medium. And as you can see, I'm almost out of this product, and I use the brown shade to contour my face, and I think it's an amazing product. And I'm blending it with the same brush that I used for my foundation. And remember to always blend upwards. After the cream contour, I will add a little bit of bronzer, and I'm using the Max Factor bronzer in 01 Golden. And for eyeshadows today, I will be using this palette from Essence, and this is the In Love with Rose eyeshadow palette. It's a very beautiful rosy pinky eyeshadow palette. I bought this eyeshadow palette literally months ago, and I haven't used it, but I swatched the colors a few times, and I think they're really pretty. Just The only thing is that they are quite different than my usual bronzy golden shades, but that's I wanted to use this one today. And for transition shade, I will mix these two colors right here. Wow, these colors are beautiful and surprisingly pigmented. Not bad at all for an eyeshadow palette. Wow, this color is actually very pretty by itself. I will spray my flat brush. And for the eyelid color, I will use this big rose shade right here. It's shimmery, but I think it's very, very pretty. And we even have a darker color that I may add. Oh wow, it's really, really pinky, but I think I love it. And with a very light hand, I'm just packing this shade over my eyelid. And I will add a little bit of the darker shade in my outer V. Actually, these eyeshadows are quite pigmented and not bad at all. And now I will blend all the edges to make these eyeshadows super soft and blended. And I will add the same eyeshadow that we used on the lids on my lower eyeshadow line. Now I will spray the flat brush to add a little bit of the lightest pink color in my inner corner. Wow, this is really pigmented. And blend again. Wow, these eyeshadows are so pinky, rosy and beautiful and surprisingly pigmented, so I'm super happy. I thought that this Essence palette might be super bad and not pigmented at all, and this whole eye look might be a failure, but I actually love it and I will definitely use it again. I love this look. I think the eyeshadows look really, really pretty and it's so different than the usual colors that I use, but the eyeshadows were pigmented and very blendable and I love it. I only have to highlight the brow bone and I only have these two shades on the top row that I will mix together. So my camera just died, but the only thing that I did is that I added my favorite mascara in the entire world, and this is the L'Oreal Lash Architect mascara. I absolutely love this one. I don't know many people that talk about it, but this mascara is amazing, and what I said while I was applying it is that I feel like I don't even need false eyelashes when I'm wearing it, because it makes your lashes very thick and very black, and I love this mascara. I highly recommend it and I think this is the best mascara in the entire world. And I added a little bit of highlighter and I mixed these two colors from the Essence Glow to Go highlighter palette. This is just my favorite drugstore highlight palette and probably one of my most favorite palettes. It's just so pigmented and beautiful and the colors blend beautifully on the skin. I will add a little bit more, just so pretty, and I will even add a little bit on the brow bone. I don't know if you can see on camera, but this highlighter is glowing. It's amazing highlighter. Honestly, I recommend it to absolutely everyone. And the last thing that I have to do today to finish the look is to do my lips. And for the lips, I use my current favorite lip liner. This is the lip pencil from NYX in Nude Truffle. And this is a gorgeous brownish nude. And for lipstick, this is another favorite of mine. This is the Stay Matte liquid lip color from Rimmel in the shade 700 Be My Baby, another rosy nude color. But I like this product so much. This lipstick is not drying at all. It's very long lasting and it feels very moussey on the lips, and as I said, it's not that drying. This is such a beautiful nude color. So I'm super happy how this makeup look turned out. I think the pink look is very feminine and beautiful, and I will definitely do it again, and I will be using this eyeshadow palette from Essence. I'm super pleasantly surprised. So I think this was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao!